All right, mission briefing. We're declassifying the AI search hustle. Let's get into it. Look at your stats. If you're seeing 0 views, it's because you're gambling.
Posting and praying to an algorithm, that's not a business. That's just a hobby.
So we're going to declassify a system that stops chasing views and starts manufacturing income.
But first, you have to ask yourself a critical question. Who are you really making this for? See, there are 3 types of traffic, and most beginners waste all their time on level 1. Not us. We only care about people who are actively searching for answers or to buy something. Because these people aren't just scrolling, they're searching. And intent? Well, that's money.
So forget the old way. No more viral gambling. We're building an invisible factory.
That's right. You don't need another post. You need a machine that works while you sleep. And this machine, it's actually pretty simple. It has just 3 core parts.
The key is the lead magnet. It's a free, small win that you give away to build trust.
Okay, enough theory. Here's your day 1 launch protocol. And yeah, 0 ad spend. Step 1, use autocomplete. Just start typing into Google and see what it suggests. That's it. If it pops up, there's real demand. The hard work is done for you.
Step 2, use AI. Have it structure a simple guide or checklist around that exact phrase.
Step 3, create your assets. 1 blog, 1 pin, 1 short, all from 1 keyword.
See the power here? You're not guessing. You're answering a demand that already exists.
The formula is simple. Consistency plus search intent crushes viral chaos every single time. So stop being a platform serf. Stop being dependent on an algorithm you don't control. Grab the AI search hustle blueprint for just a book and start building your machine today. The factory is officially open. Time to get to work. Initialize hustle.